teeth. Hi everyone, it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my May update for Colourpop. This is a project I created for us to get some use out of Colourpop 4th Ray Soul. All of it. So, 3 to 6 products, right? I think it's 3 to 6 products. Rolling, you set your own goals. We started January 18th, 2022. We will finish January 17th, 2023. I have a feeling this will come back. I'll bring it back until I run out of Colourpop. So you guys can play along with me if you want to. So I am working on 8. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I was working on 8. I do have 3 empties. So let's talk about those. And they're the exact ones I said in my last update that would be finished. You've seen these in my April empties. These are the 2 lip oils. They are done. And finally, I did it. I used up their flippin' brow pencil. I do have a brow pen from them that I want to try, but I'm currently working on one from NYX in a different project, and I don't want to open one because they'll go dry, and I just am not about that life. So yeah, this is still kicking around, and that just made me remember that I have one that I forgot to pull out. Okay. Tell me your desk is messy without telling me your desk is messy. Okay, let's start with this. This is the More is More blush stick. My goal is to finish this. I cannot make a new mark, and I have used this 6 times since the last update. In fact, I think I am probably right on the line. This is beautiful. I'm not going to swatch these. I'm wearing white. I'm not going to tempt fate, but I swatched this, I think, in every other video. This is just a really pretty kind of corally orange shifting pinky gold color. It is on today, but I layer, so it's topped with something else, but it's a really pretty formula. I really enjoy it. I know Haley didn't care for this formula, but I really like it. So if you're interested in trying a cream blush, you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, if you don't want to shop on Shop Miss A, then this I think is a really good choice. In to finish, I used it 6 times since the last update for a total of 21 times since January. So this is sticking around. Another one sticking around is this. This is the Seismic Highlighter from, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. Anyway, this is Seismic. I'll see if I can grab a screen grab of the last video. It has, the pan has expanded a little bit. I use this every time I do my makeup, I'm pretty sure. I used it 14 times since the last update for a total of 24 times. Oh, please. Excuse me. My sinuses and allergies have been going insane this week. Anyway, this is in the finish. I started really using this after finishing Flexitarian. What was it? January, February? I don't even remember. So again, 14 times since the last update for a total of 24 times. I'm actually filming this like 5 days early just to try to stay ahead. So yeah, because I have an infusion next week. Then I see the endocrinologist who's going to yell at me. So anyway, that's in the finish. Next, we have the black eyeliner that will not die. It will not die. So this is what is in my tight line today. I actually also put it in my waterline. See, I knew it was going to happen. I knew it was going to happen if I did it. We can't. Just about fell out. Anyway, my goal is to finish this. It looks like I have about, if I use this every time I do my makeup, this may be gone, but never fear, there's another one. There's a backup. I'm pretty sure what happened is I picked up several bundles. You know how they do the bundles with just everything? And I think I got 2 different, well, like it came in the Smoke Show bundle and it came in a different bundle. So I have 2 of the black ones, but goal is to finish. Yeah. Next usage goal is my Rapunzel Blush. My goal is to use this 10 times. Last update, I've used it twice. I have used it 4 more times since then for a total of 6. This is a really pretty kind of satin finish, pink, cool blush. All those words. It's actually really pretty on the skin. I like to wear this when I'm wearing a more cool tone look, whether it be purple, whether it be cool tone neutrals. It's just a really pretty blush. And she's in for 10 uses, so hopefully this will be rolling out next update. I said in my last update I was going to try to finish this. I didn't use this at all. And I need to be doing some pink looks because I promised that I would, and I've only done one, so I need to get on it. But my goal is to finish. I didn't use this at all in the month of May, or excuse me, since the last update. And then last but not least, we have this. This is the Pretty Fresh Illuminator. I brought this in last update, brand new. I've used it 14 times. You can see where we were and where we are now. And I know it looks like it's not, but there's some stuck to the side. This smells like Johnson & Johnson baby. Lotion, body wash, diaper wipes. It just smells like baby. Like it smells like baby. And I'm like, that is the weirdest scent to put in something that goes on your face. So my goal is to finish this. I have used it 14 times. So apparently I've worn my makeup 14 times this last update, which makes sense because I've had some dental work done on both sides of my face. So yeah, go get your teeth clean. If you don't do anything else, wear sunscreen and go get your teeth clean. Anyway, my goal is to finish this. It's okay. The smell is what bothers me the most. It looks lovely on the face. The only issue is I find that this can be a little bit drying. So I have to mix it in with something, either mix it in with my foundation or I have to mix it with something that's a bit more hydrating. So this goal is to finish. So we've had 3 empties and I'm currently working on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to bring in number 7 because I can't help myself. Bringing in this. This is the Super Shock Chic in Chiffon. So I mentioned in the last update how this would pair beautifully with the More is More. So I'm going to be using this as a blush topper because come on now. Come on now. Look how sparkly and pretty that is. Now I'm not going to swatch. I'm wearing white. I'm not going to swatch. Liar, liar, pants on fire. I'm a lying liar who lies. So there is the More is More blended out, and then there's Chiffon. They're just so pretty together, like so pretty together. Yeah, that's going to be beautiful on the face. I went to the podiatrist the other day, and because my toenail fell off, and I was like, well, it hadn't fallen all the way off. I was like, what the hell? So anyway, I was like filming and I was like, well, like I needed to film. So I went ahead and put on my face and I just wore like cream and I had worn that blush and it looks so pretty. So yeah, my goal is going to be to hit the pan in this, and this will make blush number 24 that I'm working on, but that's okay. That's all right. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, I posted all of the beauty I'm currently painting and all the makeup I'm currently painting. And I think there were 23, 24 blushes. So yeah, it's a lot. So anyway, we have 4 finish goals. This should be met. Hopefully this will be done. This potentially could be done because this may end up going in a lotion. And yeah, that's probably it as far as I can tell. Hopefully I can make a new line on this blush because I haven't been able to do that yet. So we'll see. But that's it. You still have time to jump on this train. I promise you. Just use the hashtag Colourpan here or over on Instagram. And I will do my best to say hello and cheer you on. I am having such a fun time with this project and I hope that you guys are too. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing or let's start all over. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you haven't already, make sure you're following me over on Instagram at MistyPans. I'm inching closer to 1,000, which is so much fun. I hope you have a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Blushes, blushes, blushes. I'm panning all the blushes.